Welcome! In front of me I have MIBRO Watch C2 and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this watch by using the system settings on it. Before we start, if you want to factory reset your watch, make sure that the battery level on your watch is at least above 20 or 30%, because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your watch. Now let's continue with the reset. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button. Then press the side button again to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu, find the settings icon and tap on it. In settings, find the option called the system settings and select it. And here you should see the option called factory reset. Tap on it, then tap on the check mark to confirm and start the resetting process. And now let's wait until the process is complete. And once you see the watch face back, it means that the factory reset is complete. It came back to watch face because it reconnected with the phone. But if you unpaired it before you factory reset the watch, it will probably show you the list of languages which you can select, and then you can pair your watch with a phone. Okay, and that's how you factory reset this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.